Are you tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's cut through the noise and decide, once and for all, which contract site reigns supreme, DocuSign or Adobe Sign. First up, DocuSign. Its user interface is clean and intuitive. Drag and drop signature fields onto your document with ease, adding initials, dates, and text boxes wherever you need them. Notice how simple it is to assign each field to a specific recipient, minimizing errors. Now let's shift focus to Adobe Sign. You'll find its interface just as clean and simple. Explore the detailed options for customizing signature fields. You can set validation rules, making certain only correct information is entered into the form fields. Pricing. DocuSign offers multiple plans, but their standard plan is usually the choice of small businesses. Adobe Sign has individual and business plans, and is usually cost-effective for existing Adobe customers. But if you are new, pricing is quite similar to DocuSign. On the go, both platforms offer robust mobile apps. Sign, send, and manage your documents from anywhere, ensuring business never has to wait. Both function virtually identically on a mobile device. The verdict, for overall ease of use and broad features, it's DocuSign. But if you're already invested in the Adobe ecosystem, Adobe Sign can be a seamless addition. Choose wisely, and ditch the paperwork for good.